In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted item in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before continuing, especially if you manage more than one, because deleted items are stored within the workspace where they originally existed. Once you're inside your workspace, look to the upper left corner of the screen and click on your workspace avatar. This will open the main workspace options. From there, select Settings. This is where ClickUp keeps a number of administrative and organizational tools, including access to deleted content. Inside the Settings menu, select Trash. The trash is where deleted items are temporarily stored after removal. In ClickUp, these items stay in the trash for 30 days before being permanently deleted. So if you're trying to recover something, it's a good idea to do it as soon as possible. After opening the trash, browse through the deleted items list to find what you want to restore. If you have a lot of deleted content, you can use the search and filter options to narrow things down and locate the item faster. This can be especially helpful if you're looking for a specific task, list, folder, doc, or another type of item. When you find a deleted item, move to the right side of that item and click the three dots. This opens the item menu where you'll see additional actions related to that deleted content. From that menu, select Restore. As soon as you do that, the deleted item will be returned to your ClickUp workspace. If the item you removed was a task, the process is very similar. Select the deleted task from the trash and click Restore. ClickUp will restore the task along with its attachments, which is useful if the task included files or supporting material you still need. After restoring the item, go back to the location where it was originally stored. This could be a task list, a folder, a document area, or another section of your workspace, depending on what was deleted. Check that location carefully to confirm the item is back and available again. At this point, the restore process is complete, and your deleted ClickUp item should now be accessible. Just keep in mind that if something has already been permanently deleted from the trash, it can no longer be restored. Thanks for watching.